How to make a group chat in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I will simply show you how you can make a group chat on the Instagram application, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to chat with friends and then make a group chat on Instagram, it's relatively simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all just open the Instagram app and then tap on the DMs icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the DMs icon, you'll be able to see all this sorts of information where you have to tap on the pencil like icon from the top right hand side, and then here you'll be able to see all these sorts of people. Here you just want to make sure to select the people that you want to add to a specific group, and so let's say these are some of the suggested, and if you want you can also go ahead and simply search for them in this list. Once you search for them in this list, you'll be able to add them to this group chat as well. So I'll just go ahead and select a list of people, and then what I will do is I'll just tap on the chat option from the top right. But before that, I'm just going to name my group. I'm just going to type in anything over here. Once I give a name for my group, I'm going to tap on the chats option on the top right, and then here you can see that I have successfully created a group chat. If I want, I can add some more members to it over here, and I can remove the existing ones as well. And that's all it takes to make a group chat on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.